Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly command respect while others struggle to be taken seriously? The answer might shock you. In this video, we'll unveil 15 hidden behaviors that could be silently sabotaging your social status without you even realizing it. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss the surprising revelation about how your reaction to everyday annoyances could be revealing more about you than you think. Subscribe now to ensure you don't miss out on these crucial insights that could transform your social standing. 1. The invisible barrier. Bad hygiene. Poor hygiene creates an invisible barrier that repels others, instantly lowering your status. This goes beyond just body odor. It includes oral hygiene, clean clothes, and overall grooming. For example, a brilliant colleague might be overlooked for promotion due to consistently unkempt appearance, as it signals a lack of self-respect and professionalism. 2. The trust destroyer. Talking nonsense. Once people realize you're speaking without substance, your credibility plummets. This applies to exaggerating expertise or spreading misinformation. A classic example is the case of Elizabeth Holmes, whose false claims about Theranos technology led to a spectacular fall from grace, demonstrating how talking nonsense can destroy trust and status. 3. The social trespasser. Invasive personal questions. Asking overly personal questions without an established relationship is a social faux pas that diminishes your status. It shows a lack of boundaries and social awareness. For instance, a new co-worker who immediately inquires about salary details or relationship status may quickly find themselves socially isolated in the workplace. 4. The unwelcome reminder. Looking physically tired or ill. Appearing consistently exhausted or unwell can lower your perceived status, as it may imply a lack of self-care or inability to manage one's life effectively. A high-profile example is how public figures often face scrutiny and speculation about their capability when they appear tired during important events. 5. The financial red flag. Being bad with money. Poor financial management signals a lack of responsibility and foresight, lowering your status in others' eyes. This could manifest as consistently living beyond one's means or inability to budget. Consider how lottery winners who quickly squander their fortunes often lose respect and social standing along with their wealth. 6. The doormat effect. Not standing up for yourself. Allowing others to speak down to you or failing to assert yourself can significantly lower your status. It shows a lack of self-respect and confidence. Think of how a meek employee who never voices their ideas or concerns is often overlooked for leadership roles, regardless of their competence. 7. The social blunder. Inability to read the room. Failing to gauge the appropriate behavior for different social situations can be detrimental to your status. This includes making inappropriate jokes or comments at serious events. A prime example is a politician making a lighthearted quip during a somber national tragedy, leading to public backlash and damaged reputation. 8. The emotional roller coaster. Lack of emotional control. Displaying poor emotional regulation, such as frequent outbursts or inability to handle stress, can lower your perceived stability and reliability. Consider how a sports coach who frequently loses temper on the sidelines may lose respect from players and fans alike, regardless of their strategic abilities. 9. The extremist. Excessive behaviors. Engaging in any behavior to an extreme degree, whether it's overeating, excessive drinking, or even being overzealous about a belief system, can make others wary. For example, a co-worker who consistently overindulges at office parties may find their professional reputation tarnished despite their work performance. 10. The drifter. Lacking purpose in life. People who seem to lack direction or ambition in life often struggle to maintain high status. Without clear goals or passions, one appears less dynamic and inspiring to others. Think of how a perpetual job hopper with no clear career trajectory might be viewed less favorably by potential employers or romantic partners. 11. The cruel streak. Displaying unnecessary cruelty. Any form of cruelty, whether towards humans or animals, significantly lowers one's status in society. It reflects poorly on one's character and empathy. A public figure caught mistreating staff or animals often faces severe backlash and a drastic fall in public opinion, regardless of their other accomplishments. 12. The entitled guest. Disregarding house rules. Failing to respect the rules or customs when you're a guest shows a lack of consideration and social grace. This could be as simple as not removing shoes in a home where it's expected. Consider how a house guest who repeatedly ignores their host's requests might quickly wear out their welcome and damage relationships. 13. The one-note wonder. Making one thing your entire personality. Basing your entire identity around a single interest or trait can make you seem one-dimensional and uninteresting. For example, someone who only ever talks about their diet or workout routine may find others avoiding conversations with them, limiting their social and professional opportunities. 14. The helpless adult, lacking basic life skills. Not being able to perform basic adult tasks like cooking, cleaning, or managing appointments can significantly lower your status, especially as you age. Think of a 30-something who still relies on their parents for laundry or basic home repairs. This dependency often leads to reduced respect from peers and potential partners. 15. The contrarian catastrophe. Going against consensus and being wrong. While independent thinking is valued, consistently opposing popular opinion without solid reasoning can damage your credibility. A prime example is climate change deniers who, despite overwhelming scientific evidence, maintain their stance, often finding themselves increasingly marginalized in serious discussions. These subtle behaviors can have a profound impact on how others perceive and treat you. By being aware of them, you can take steps to enhance your social status and open doors to new opportunities. If you're intrigued about cultivating a lifestyle of respect and influence, keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to get there and what surprising insights may await you along the way. Don't forget to click the link in the description for exclusive content on mastering social dynamics and personal growth.